Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'll be doing the unboxing of the Galaxy F54 5G 256GB variant. I got this for my dad. He is super crazy about the storage, so he just wants the 256 or above variant. So I bought this 256 variant phone for him, and this is a great phone with huge battery, big screen, Super AMOLED, Samsung. All the good features from the flagship Samsungs are coming to this, not the decks and all, that's fine, but they are unnecessary extra stuff which generally my dad doesn't use. So as per his requirement, I thought this was the optimal phone and I bought this for him. So let's get started. All right, finally we have Galaxy F54 5G. This is a huge smartphone, but this smartphone is very much specific to use case based on the usages, based on your usage of the phone. So this is not a gaming smartphone. First thing, if you are a gamer, don't buy this. Second thing, this smartphone is mostly focused for people who are not worried about performance. So this has an Exynos processor, which is kind of a mid-range processor, 1380 I believe, but this should suffice the day-to-day usages very well. And this is the only phone, again note, this is the only phone with 256GB storage available for Samsung at this price. So I got this for approx 26,000, and my dad had a very strict demand that he wants 256GB, so I bought this. And the best part is it has everything best. So if you let me focus, if you see, Super AMOLED Plus display with 120Hz, superb. Triple rear camera setup, 108 megapixel with optical image stabilization, which is great. 32 megapixel front. There are two other sensors, one is ultra wide and one is macro. Those are not much useful in these series phones, but yeah, we'll come to that later. 6000 mAh battery, this is the best thing. This is the biggest and the best thing of this phone, 6000 mAh battery. But minor drawback, it supports 25 watt fast charging, and you can see the box, no charger in the box, so you have to purchase the Samsung charger separately. So all right guys, so let's see what else behind the box. This says all the information which we don't care anyway. So these are the major highlights: screen, camera and battery. And this is 256GB variant, so let's do the unboxing. All right, oh, they have it here. So this must be having some paperwork. Let me open it from this side, I guess. SIM ejector tool, a small SIM ejector tool. They should have a type C cable also. Yeah, type C to type C I believe. Yes, type C to type C cable, which supports 25 watt fast charging. You need to buy the adapter separately. And these are some paperwork, warranty and all. Let's keep this aside. And super slim box, you can see the size of the box. It should be the size of the phone as well. So this is the phone guys. This is approx 200 grams, 198 grams something. Very not that heavy because it has the 6000 milliamps battery, but this has a massive 6.7 inch screen, which is very big. Side mounted fingerprint, let me show it to you. Yeah, let me focus. Yeah, a side mounted fingerprint. This is a power button cum fingerprint, and these are the volume rockers. On the top we have secondary noise cancellation, microphone, left side nothing. Bottom we have, we have a single speaker here and the type C port. On the back, as I said, triple camera setup. Let me actually remove this. This is packed very nicely. Let me remove this. Yeah, all right, it's a big phone guys, as you can see. And triple camera setup, 108 megapixel OIS primary sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel macro. And this has rounded edges, so it feels good to hold like this. And this is plastic, guys, not metal, definitely, but anyway you'll be putting a cover. Generally people put cover. So this was the quick and it has a, let me zoom it quickly, 1 second guys, it's reflecting. Yeah, so this has a hole punch hole selfie camera. It's not a water drop or something else, but this has a punch hole camera, and this looks like a back what do you call, the configuration or the back layout looks like the S23 series. So this Samsung is making all their phones in this type of cutout. It's a single body and there is no separate island the way I have for my S22 Plus. There is a separate island here, but yeah, this is how it is. And let me show you the 25-watt charger. This was the charger which I had purchased it for my wireless charger, support. So if you see super fast charging, this is the original Samsung 25-watt charger. You need to purchase this adapter so that you can charge this at full speeds. So that's it for this video, guys. And let me adjust this. Yeah, and the major thing, again, I'm repeating it, this phone is not for everyone. This phone is specifically for those who are more focused on day-to-day usages, basic day-to-day usages. They need some good battery life because this has 6000 milliamperes battery, which will last definitely for approx 2 days, and definitely 120 Hz Super AMOLED screen. So Samsung screens are, you know it, I know it, it's awesome, next level. Let me boot it up. So guys, here it is. I have booted up the phone and this is how it is. It is completing the setup and all, and it is connected to my Wi-Fi. Bloatware, you can see Spotify, Netflix, out of the box bloatware. Byju's, Daily Hunt, these things are there. Snapchat, Truecaller, PhonePe, but you can uninstall them, so no need to worry about that. And let's go to the about phone, and if you can see, I haven't installed my SIM card yet in this. That's why it is not showing any information. Let me check software information. So this is One UI 5.1 version, Android 13. And this is, as you can see, it's huge. It specifically in one hand, I can't use it with one hand, like you need to scroll it like this, as this is 6.7 inch screen. And the cameras, let's actually check the cameras. See, let me focus. Yep, it's really nice. And typical Samsung UI. The best part is this gets full Samsung UI. It's not a partial or a, mid-range phones generally get a partial Samsung UI. This is a full Samsung UI with Knox security, with you have what do you call, storage locker, you have My Files, you have gallery, you have a lot of Samsung features which are present in flagship phones, which are present in this. If you can see, it is Google out of the box, it's there on the left side, which is good. 120 Hz refresh rate, as you can see, smooth. So, and side mounted fingerprint, I haven't placed the fingerprint yet. This is the best, one of the best parts, the glance wallpaper. Every time it changes to a new wallpaper, it's really nice. And this is a dual SIM phone, guys, but it is hybrid, so one SIM and one memory card also you can use, and then memory card goes up to 2 TB. That is the maximum limit. And as I said, this is the charger which you can use, and that's all for this video, guys. So guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon and get notified first. This is Vishal. Thank you so much, and I'll be back next video. New videos coming up, new tech coming up, new DIY videos coming up. So stay tuned and catch you guys in next video.